Hi everyone! In an effort to keep videos a little bit shorter, I've decided to break them up into left foot, right foot. The right foot of this client posted a few weeks ago. It was the pedicure tutorial client's first pedicure ever, thick toenails, callus under nail video. So this is the left foot from that video series. So stay tuned. Welcome to the Meticulous Manicurist Nail Tutorials. I'm Lori Halloway, Master Nail Technician, salon owner, and author of Sheer Savvy, Secrets and Strategies for Successful Salon Apprenticeships. I'm setting a new standard in nail education utilizing real life, real situations for real learning. My tutorials provide explicit instruction for a thorough understanding of theory and technique. Join me by subscribing today to learn everything you need to know to be the best.
Back just a tiny bit.
If you didn't get a chance to watch the first video of the right foot, I'm going to put the link at the very top of all of the videos that I link in the description box. So click on the description box and find that link and go watch that video. A lot of people have made comments. Not everybody watches the whole video when they watch videos. The average time that people stay in a video is not as high as I think it should be for people who want to watch pedicure tutorials, but teach their own. So a lot of people miss a lot of information and then they leave comments and ask questions, and all of the answers to most of their questions are in the video. So I just wish that they would watch the whole video. And if I don't answer your question, it's because the answer is in the video or it has already been answered in a previous comment. So just take a couple of minutes and scroll through those comments to see. But I always love to hear from you guys, so leave me a comment and let me know how you liked the video and if you do have any questions. But sometimes they've already been answered in previous comments. So what you may have missed in the first video is that she has been to a podiatrist. She does not have fungus on her big toes. She has damage from her big toes hitting continually on the tops of her shoes because she let her nails grow a little long every now and then when they hit the shoe, it does cause damage to the nail. She had them tested and she does not have fungus.
She'll find every single scenario.
I should be wearing socks or something, or keep that down.
Your feet are in really good shape.
Or something that will stop it from rubbing on the shoe or something.
Yeah, it might help a little bit of cushion.
And sometimes I do file up and down instead of left to right because it's just too tight of an area. There's not enough room to have the file flow back and forth side to side. These two toes, her second and third toe, they're really close in length, so there isn't a lot of room. I hit the other toes, so you have to hold the angle of your file a little bit differently just so you can remove that length and make the free edge smooth. People have been asking me to upload more than once a week, and I have to tell you, it's really hard to film and edit and upload more than once a week. But there is an option. If I get enough people who are interested in seeing live videos, text the word live to the number 43506, and I will start uploading at least once, maybe twice a week if I have enough people to do a live video. If you text the word live to 43506, you'll get a notification telling you what time I'm going to start the live video so you can tune in and be sure not to miss it. And during those live videos, you'll have the opportunity to do a super chat with me. You'll be able to ask questions live, and if you want some recognition for your Instagram or for your YouTube channel, there's also an opportunity for that. So there's more information about that in the description box. But if you want to see me do live videos, just text the word live to 43506.
Well, if I had somebody that would do it, I'd do it.
He's like, that's your job.
That's your
And I said, well, then you best make an appointment.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. It's really cute now that my kids are older. Like when they were little, Bruce came home from work one day and he walked in the door and I was doing Evan's toes. And he looked at me and he rolled his eyes and he goes, "What are you guys doing?" And Evan jumped up, threw his arms in the air and goes, "We're getting manicures and pedicures." And he goes, "You are gonna get them beat up." And so, yeah. And so now when the kids come to me and they're like, "Mom, will you do my nails?"
Oh my goodness.
I'm like, "Yes, I will do your nails." Oh, it's so cute.
That's good that they like it. I never thought, you know, in earlier times, I never thought men did that. And then when I went to a salon or somewhere, and men were getting their feet done, and, you know, and my husband, he got a cousin, and he's like, "Oh yeah, I get my feet done."
Oh yeah.
Didn't you do that?
They need some maintenance. And it's just not the same when you do them yourself and then when you have a professional do them.
Right.
It's just different.
I mean, they can get where you can't.
And it's faster.
Yeah.
People, you know, spend a lot of time trying to fuss with everything.
The white liquid I apply to the nails is Cuticle Remover. Its job is to penetrate into the dead skin, dissolve it so you can quickly and easily remove it from the cuticle area, the nail plate, and the skin all around the toenail. Sometimes you do need to apply an additional layer of Cuticle Remover because it has already penetrated into the dead skin, you've wiped all that dead skin away, but there's still more dead skin left. So you need to apply another layer so it can penetrate into that dead skin so you can remove that. I sell the Cuticle Remover on my online store. The link is in the description. I do have the best price on like all of the websites that I've looked at. So It helps me out a lot if you purchase the tools that I use in this video from me and not going to another website and trying to find it for a better price. I'm going to thin out this toenail a little bit so it stops hitting the top of her shoe. What I sprayed on the toenail beforehand was just some alcohol, and the reason I did is so the fine dust particles don't fly up into the air. So you can see that they mix with the alcohol and they get heavy and they fall down instead of flying up into the air, because you don't want to be inhaling these particles while you're doing the service. It's time to polish. We're going to do a base coat, 2 coats of polish, top coat, and cuticle oil. And can you believe it? She has never in her life had her nails polished. So not only has she never had a professional pedicure, she's never had her nails polished at home. So I'm really lucky to have gotten to polish her toenails for the first time in her life. And stay tuned in for the reveal shots at the end of the video. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate everybody's help in helping me grow my channel over the past year. I wouldn't have been able to do it without all of you, so thank you so much.
What about when you were younger?
I don't think I did.
Really?
I don't recall ever having them polished. That's crazy.
Well, then I'm super honored.
Thanks for everything.
Stay in there for a few minutes.
I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to visit my channel. I hope you've chosen to subscribe. Here are some other great videos for you to check out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.